What's up, guys? We're going to be changing out the control arm, rear control arm on a 2005 Honda Element. Use a 19. Okay, we got the tire off. So what we have is, here's the control arm, right? These two bolts are welded. They're welded on. So to get this control arm off, we're going to come in over here, get that bolt, and we'll get that bolt. I'm going to spray that with a little PB Blaster. I'm going to try my best to just strong arm this one. This one's 17. Went got some new ratchets. So we're going to make these the same length. So we'll leave that loose. We won't have it tighten all the way, so we can kind of work this in. The new nut it came with is an 18. You're going to need an 18 to get it back on. So we're just going to give these kind of a snug tight. They're going to have to loosen these up to do the alignment. Now we're going to get after that sway link, okay? We need a 14mm wrench and we need a 5mm Allen wrench. Stick this in here so it won't turn. And we're just going to go ahead and take this off. There it is, guys. So they need that Allen wrench in here, okay? And here's what they look like. Well, that's it, guys. We got this control arm replaced. All right. And we went ahead and changed out the sway link. Got a new sway link. Hope you liked the video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.